Now controversy is settled with the clarification given by the Supreme Court.
Yes, that's what we say.
Nothing survives. They have said that those who have been given appointment on the strength of their qualification of B.Ed will continue, but the judgment will be prospective, and they have given the ratio that for teaching from class 1 to 5, D.Ed is the qualification, not B.Ed.
But not if the appointments were given, not subject to the final outcome of the petition, because in this case, not. And this is also what the Supreme Court has clarified.
That's what I'm saying. It is all subject to all the matters are covered with the clarification of the Honorable Supreme Court.
But if not, what had happened was the petitions were filed in the 2022 when the advertisements were not issued in the state of Madhya Pradesh. The advertisement was issued in October 2022. The petitions were filed in June 2022. The interim order was passed in July 2022, where it was held that all the appointments would be subject to the final outcome of the petition.
But whether they were given appointments,
they have been given appointments.
Subsequently given appointments.
Yeah, and this is what the Supreme Court also says: such appointments are not saved.
are not saved. Yes.
Are not saved.
In fact, all the appointments with B.Ed, my lord, have to go.
Have to
That's
go.
what I'm saying.
Yes, they have to go.
Yes. आप किसके लिए हैं?
हम DLED petitioners, not all DLED.
अच्छा.
The petition.
DLED appointees, my lord.
Your Lordship,
Huh.
a final order was passed in these petitions on 3/5/2024.
Yes.
Subsequently, Your Lordship, they approached the Honorable Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has not interfered in that order passed, order dated
No,
3/5/2024.
but the Supreme Court like
And what the clarification has been issued is that it is subject to certain conditions. Now, those conditions were interpreted in the order dated 3/5/2024.
Your
Are you not
the order of 18/12/20.
Yes, my lord.
Now, if you read 18/12/24,
Ji.
come to internal page 3,
Yes.
internal page 2, a large number of petitions were decided. Please read, Mr. Agrawal.
Yes, my lord. A large number of petitions were decided by this court on issue
They
of.
said that Devesh Sharma has.
Yes,
sit
but
at
that is from Rajasthan, my lord.
Rajasthan.
Yes.
Yes.
A large number of
1
petitions.
से 5वीं तक प्राइमरी क्लासेस में डिप्लोमा चाहिए, बीएड नहीं चाहिए.
B.Ed नहीं चाहिए. Yes. A large number of petitions were decided by.
Subsequently by order dated 8/4/24.
ये 8/4/2024 का क्लैरिफिकेटरी ऑर्डर था राजस्थान के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में. That has been made applicable for the entire country, my lord.
जी.
Yes. A large number of petitions were decided by this court on the issue of the qualification required for primary school teachers. In our judgment in Devesh Sharma versus Union of India and others, we had held that the qualification of teacher who is taking classes 1 to 5, that is primary classes, diploma is diploma and not B.Ed. Subsequently, by our order dated 8/4/2024, we clarified that the appointment of those B.Ed qualified candidates who in the selection process were selected and subsequently appointed prior to
Our judgment.
prior to our judgment in Devesh Sharma, Supra on 11/8/2023 will not be disturbed. The order passed by this court and amend the diary number and civil appeal numbers reads as under.
First crucial date is 11/8.
8/2020.
If any person possessing qualification
Yes.
for B.Ed was given appointment prior to 11/8/23, then it is to be preserved.
Preserved. But not the clarificatory order 8/4/2020, which is quoted, but there is an important block.
Yes,
This is a clarificatory order. In the given facts, we find that the question as to whether the judgment would be prospective or not was not stated by us in the judgment delivered on 11/8/2023. Ordinarily, a judgment act.
Come to page internal page 3, ऊपर से sir.
Yes.
We accordingly hold that the judgment delivered by this bench.
Yes.
इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट पर यूएस मार्केट्स का इफेक्ट आता है मॉर्निंग में
और यूरोपियन मार्केट्स का इम्पैक्ट
As it appears that a large number of candidates with B.Ed degree had already
Chennai
been
छोड़
appointed.
दीजिएगा. We
Yes.
accordingly hold that
Yes.
judgment delivered by this
We accordingly hold that judgment delivered by this bench on 11/8/2023 shall
shall have prospective
operation.
operation. उसके
But
last
prospective operation of this judgment shall be only for those candidates who were appointed without any qualification or conditions imposed by any court of law to the effect that their appointment would be subject to final outcome of the case,
case.
which might have had been instituted by them, and such candidates were in regular employment without any disqualification and were appointed in pursuance of a notice of advertisement where a B.Ed was stipulated to be valid qualification. Service of only such candidates shall not be disturbed because of this judgment, my lord. We make it clear that this benefit is only for the candidates who were appointed prior to the date our judgment was delivered on 11/8/2023. Mere selection of such candidates or their participation in the process will not entitle them for a benefit under the present order.
अच्छा, हमें ऑर्डर में क्या लिखाना पड़ेगा?
अब इसमें सर क्या है कि यहाँ पे सर हमें ऑर्डर आपको
अग्रवाल
दे
जी,
देता हूँ।
ऑर्डर में क्या लिखाएंगे? रामेश्वर ठाकुर सीनियर एडवोकेट असिस्टेड बाय श्री संजय अग्रवाल और संजय अग्रवाल असिस्टेड बाय सीनियर एडवोकेट रामेश्वर ठाकुर।
वो तो
Your Lordship,
assisting
may I-
वो तो
May I submit? Your
यहाँ पे
Lordship?
सर क्या होता पहला ऑर्डर जस्ट WP number 1376 set of 2022 was the first judgment plot.
नहीं ये
On-
तो क्लियर है ये।
हाँ।
अब इनकी
ये-
क्रोनोलॉजी क्या है? क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लेते हैं स्टेट।
हाँ क्रोनोलॉजी बता रहा हूँ सर, एक ये मैं आपको सेट दे रहा हूँ, क्रोनोलॉजी मैंने सब बनाया डेट वाइज
May I also submit?
और सारे
आपको
जजमेंट
सुनेंगे ना, जल्दी क्या है अभी?
इसमें सबको इनक्लोज कर दिया सर। ये पहली पिटीशन जो हमने फाइल की थी सर, लिस्ट ऑफ डेट्स एंड इवेंट्स भी मैंने, ये सर एक और दे देता हूँ, ये 2 कॉपी, 2 सर।
We have not
एक सरकारी वकील को दे दीजिए, हम लोग दोनों एक में कॉपी में काम चला लेंगे।
जी जी
supplied a copy of.
सरकारी
एक और है ना, ये लिस्ट ऑफ डेट्स सर दे दिया।
अरे उनको फिर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन लगेगा, आपने हमें तो दे दिया 250-300 पेज।
नहीं सर मैं अपनी दे दूंगा सर।
ये ले लीजिए, पेपर बुक ले लीजिए, चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं। यस
Sir, the first petition in the Madhya Pradesh was filed on 16/6/2022, my lord.
जी,
On 7/7/2020, an interim order passed by the High Court.
ये
That the
नोटिफिकेशन की
entire-
डेट गलत है, नोटिफिकेशन की डेट गलत है, 28/6/2028 लिख रहे हैं आप, अभी तो 28 आया नहीं।
वो सर वो वहाँ डेट गलत हो गई।
वो क्या डेट है?
18/6 था सर। एक मिनट सर, वो मैं नोटिफिकेशन की डेट 18 थी सर, 2018 थी सर।
2018 है ये।
नहीं नोटिफिकेशन नहीं, वहाँ के नोटिफिकेशन डेट 18 की, एनसीटी की नोटिफिकेशन डेट 18 थी।
28 जुलाई 2018 का नोटिफिकेशन।
18 था सर। सर ये पहला ऑर्डर यहाँ हाई कोर्ट का हुआ था 7/7/2022 को। An interim order passed by the High Court that subject the entire selection process will be subject to the final outcome of the petition. ये सर मैंने लगाया है, आप देखेंगे इसको। पहला ऑर्डर मैंने लगाया है इसमें। Immediately after the synopsis.
ठीक है, एक पहले क्रोनोलॉजी समझ ले।
जी जी। Then 19/10/2022 the advertisement was issued below for appointment of primary teachers. By such advertisement 7,429 teachers were to be appointed in the school education department and 11,098 teachers were to be appointed in the tribal department. Then on 26/11/2022 another advertisement issued for recruitment of 7,500 primary teachers. Now Lord, here this is important. 18/12/2022 notification issued by Commissioner Public Instruction Bhopal that appointment would be subject to final outcome of the petitions pending in the High Court. 5/1/2023 another writ petition, my lord. The interim order was passed by the division bench of this High Court that all further actions by the respondents will be subject to further order of this court. Then another notification was issued lodged by the Commissioner Public Instructions on 19/1/2023 that the appointment will be subject to final outcome of the petitions pending in the High Court. Now, sir, जो appointments start हुए मार्च 2023 से. Appointment was pursuant to advertisement dated 19/10/2022, in which it was specifically mentioned that such appointment is subject to final outcome of the petition pending in the High Court. वो appointment letter भी लिखा हुआ है सर. वो appointment letter हमने एक कॉपी इस पे फाइल किया हुआ है.
पेज नंबर
Yes, Lord, सर वो पेजिंग नहीं हो पाई अभी.
क्यों नहीं?
सुबह फोटो कॉपी कराया सर, अभी बता देता हूँ.
3 दिन की छुट्टी थी।
वो सर क्या कल रात को आया, सुबह फोटो कॉपी हुई जल्दी सर.
Because these dates are not available to me, I will have to seek instructions in respect of these dates that they have supplied just now. I
नहीं तो you give us your dates,
will give.
you give us your dates, बताइए।
Your Lordship, that Your Lordship, I will have to file, Your Lordship. I
What
will
you have
not
to file, what you have been doing since till now,
No, It
This
is
is
listed
petition
for
of
the first time after
2023.
remand from the Honorable
whatever
Supreme Court.
whatever it may be, state की ये preparedness है।
नहीं, Your Lordship, we
कल
are
रखते हैं
prepared,
इसको, कल
we are
रखते हैं,
prepared.
आप सारी डेट्स का रिबटल फाइल कर दीजिए, कल रखते हैं इसको,
जी।
लिखिएगा ऑन रिक्वेस्ट
Great.
मिस जानवी पांडे, लिस्ट दिस केस टुमारो की जगह परसों रखते हैं, परसों
सर अब इसको पेजिंग करके इंडेक्स भी बना देते हैं.
कर दीजिएगा, वापस कर दीजिएगा।